Hey guys, welcome back to my new video. In this video we are going to learn a Java program to print triangle star pattern. So let's get started. First of all, open the VS Code editor. Now we need to create a file. So let's create it. The file name will be pattern.java. Now first of all, let's import the scanner class. Import java.util.scanner. Then let's get the main method, public static void main string arguments. Then after the main method body. Now let's get the scanner class object. Scanner sc equal to new scanner system.in, and then after we need to print a line. System.out.println enter the number of rows for the triangle triangle pattern. Then after semicolon, then after int rows is equal to sc dot next int. Then after we will perform a for loop. So let's do it. For int I is equal to 0, then I is less than equal to rows rows, then I plus plus, then this is the body of the for loop. Now we create a nested for loop. Int j is equal to j is equal to 1, j is less than is equal to I j plus plus. Then after this is the nested for loop body. Inside it we write system.out.println. We only write print. Then we print star inside it, and a space after the star, then semicolon. Then after this loop, after this nested loop, we print another line by printing system system system.out.println system.out.println. This is the code. Now let's save it. Control S, then run. Delete this again, run this. Why we print the print spelling is wrong. Let's save it. Control S, then run. Enter the number of rows for the pattern. Let's say number 5 and enter. Then this is the pattern. This is the required pattern. So that's it guys. We will meet in the next session. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring. Thank you guys.